Hello YouTube, Ash here and welcome to another episode of Pesh Talks. Today I'm doing a movie review. The film I will be reviewing is Joker. Now this film is directed by Todd Phillips and stars Joaquin Phoenix, Robert De Niro and Zazie Beetz. And of course is the origin story of one of DC's most famous, most notorious villains, the Joker. But anyway, before I get started, I want to know what you guys thought of Joker. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Or are you simply not interested in watching it? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, while you're down there, maybe hit that subscribe button too, because it really helps me out a lot. But now, let's get into the movie. So when I first heard about this movie, I was unsure about it because, yeah, a Joker movie without Batman seemed kind of strange because the two always go hand to hand together. And yeah, when I saw the first trailer, it left me speechless. You can check out my trailer reaction up there. But I knew it was something I wanted to watch. Even though it looked completely different, I knew I had to watch it. Now that I have, I can say this is one amazing movie. This is not your typical comic book movie. In fact, it's not even your typical dark comic book movie like The Boys. This is more of a drama, you know. It's not even a comic book movie. If you take the DC logo away and the character's name, this is a drama. It's not even an action movie. Like, it's just a character study. And yeah, I didn't think it would work, but it did. So you may be asking yourself, what's so great about this movie? Well, the first thing is obviously Joaquin Phoenix. He did a fantastic job. His performance is so amazing that they honestly might as well just give him the Oscar. Seriously, it's that good. He pulled off an amazing job of acting like a normal guy, and then a crazy guy, and then a guy who's psychotic, and then a guy who has inner demons, all in one film. And it's amazing how it starts off slowly and then he starts to evolve into the Joker. He starts to become the Joker, and yeah, you can see the madness turning on in his eyes. And yeah, although it's not a Joker that we're used to, you can tell it's the Joker. Especially at one point in the film, I had this like, wow, that's the Joker. He is fantastic, and yeah, simply superb. I also really like the setting. I thought it was a fantastic idea to set the movie in the 80s because it looked really gritty and everything looked good. The cinematography, the sets, the cars, the costumes, all of it really felt like the 80s. And also a big well done to Todd Phillips, who really captured the spirit of Gotham. And yeah, it's quite surprising because he's mostly known for these wacky comedies, that he pulled this off because the film is really dark and menacing and intense. So yeah, it's not his normal type of film, but maybe he's like the Joker, evolved. So yeah, he did a fantastic job directing this. As far as the story goes, I liked it. This is a different take on the Joker and a more slow approach. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. And this is coming from someone who doesn't really like slow films. However, I found myself totally involved in the film. And I was literally smiling at times because the story and acting and everything was so good. I was really, really smiling. In fact, there were two scenes that I was like, wow, they literally took my breath away. I was so, wow, they are amazing and I would love to talk about them, but alas, spoilers. Maybe I'll do a spoiler review because there was two scenes that they were phenomenal. So yeah, props to the story, it was great. I also liked the number of issues that the story tackled, and I thought it handled them really well. Now, I talked about Joaquin Phoenix, but what about the supporting characters? Well, Robert De Niro did a great job. Now, to be honest, he's not in the film that much, but when he's in the film, he really shines as the talk show host. He has that charisma, and yeah, you could really believe that he is a very cool talk show host. So yeah, once again, a fantastic performance by De Niro. As for Zazie Beetz, she was okay, but to be honest, I really think that she was wasted in the movie. Now, after watching it, I can understand why she didn't have enough screen time. But saying that, she's a great actress, so I really felt, yeah, she was wasted in the film. As to what I didn't like about the film, there wasn't really that much. Now, I took time to think about this, I digested it, I really tried to find something, but barring Zazie Beetz being wasted, there wasn't really that much. And that's surprising, because I did expect to have major issues with the film. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. One thing I can say is that the controversy, the whole issue that people have had about this film, is definitely unjust. You know, there's nothing in this film that you haven't seen in other movies, and probably even worse in other movies. So I really think the whole controversy is over the top and is basically stupid. I can't understand it. Now I might get a lot of thumbs down, but I don't see it. You know, it's just a movie. It's just a normal movie. So before I give you my final thoughts on this movie, remember to drop your comments down below. Let me know what you thought of Joker. And do you think it's controversial, or do you think the whole controversy is bleh? Let me know in the comments down below and let's talk about it. So in conclusion, Todd Phillips and Joaquin Phoenix take on the Joker is one of the biggest surprises of the year for me. It's a dark, gritty tale, it's amazing, and it's so intense, and that's what it is. It's a character study on this person who just loses his mind and becomes one of DC's most famous villains of all time. Yeah, this was something. This was marvelous, and yeah, it's an easy 5 out of a 5. So anyway, that's it. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I've been Ash. If you did like it, maybe hit that like button because it really helps me out a lot. And also, if you are new to the channel, maybe check out some of my other videos down below. And then hit that subscribe button because I do movie reviews, trailer reactions, top 10s, book reviews, Magic the Gathering, and lots of different stuff. So yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye bye.